Alright, just 5 o'clock in the morning. Didn't sleep so hot last night, so getting a little bit later start than I wanted. I got 320 miles to go for the day. Deliver. I just stopped for a quick load check here at a rest area, just about 82 mile marker 82. So we still have about 215 miles to go to our delivery this morning. Nice you to stop right there. Get ourselves here, at about 30 miles, 30-something miles. We're gonna get past Birmingham. Then we get into Alabama, get into Georgia, through Atlanta, to our delivery. Oh, man. Well, we got a nice bright, we got some sunshine, a bit of clouds. Had a bit of rain last night, so we'll see what the day brings us. Away from my receiver. The old Atlanta traffic just slowed down to a crawl. Well, we're finally on US or on I-20 westbound, heading towards Villa Rica. Still got another 16 miles to get there. So we probably another half an hour before we actually get parked. What a way to celebrate your birthday in traffic.